everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching body parts in Xhosa. Amagxa. Amagxa. Amagxa means shoulders. Isifuba. Isifuba. Isifuba means chest. Isisu. Isisu. Isisu means stomach. Ingalo. Ingalo. Ingalo means arm. Ingqiniba. Ingqiniba. Ingqiniba means elbow. Amabele. Amabele. Amabele means breast. Isandla. Isandla. Isandla means hand. Iminwe. Iminwe. Iminwe means fingers. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.